going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign of what's going to happen.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that everything is planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory. They show you how the world really works. Also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love. And then also those who are shopping at both stores, much love to you. Now, of course, guys, we're going to get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. Right now, the market is flat, but DeFi is definitely booming. Now, guys, this is the weekend, so we know that we're the only game in town. So definitely get yourselves in position so therefore you can make money. This week right here is probably the most important week ever to crypto in a long time. We know that $3.2 billion of options expire. So guys, we know we're going to go one way big, either big down or big up. But we also have to look at grayscale because we know the manipulation is going to be in. Now remember, I told you to take a screenshot of February. Now remember, February 1st, the high was 34,000. We got all the way up to 57,000, guys. Right now we're sitting at about 56. But that is $23,000 in 1 month. The month is not even over. My fault. The month is not even over. So, guys, we know there's manipulation. We know the Fed is pumping Tether. Tether is pumping cryptos. We see that. Now, basically, we have OKcoin delisting BSV and Bitcoin Cash. Now, guys, where do you think that money is going to? That's right, Bitcoin. Guys, we see all the manipulation going on. But guys, this week is going to be very volatile. Get yourselves ready. Now, basically, we have Binance at about $339 yesterday after going to a little correction along with Pancake was running up. That has a correction today. We have Polkadot still running up, Cardano running up. Of course, DeFi is doing wonderful. Remember what Brian Brooks said? DeFi is the new banking. But DeFi is definitely going to get a 90% correction. And remember, the Crypto Teacher told you that. Now we have Dodo Coin. I know someone sent me an email about that. Now don't forget Pantera Capital and Binance Labs are behind the funding. And guys, that is a Chinese protocol. And what do I teach you? Always follow the money. Now we have Tether, which was at about 33.5 yesterday. Now it's at 34.1. Another $600 million. So guys, they're pumping almost $1 billion into crypto about every 2.5 days. Billions of dollars going in. So guys, we see the money coming in. So guys, please stay focused on the indicators. We have volume. We have Tether, and we have USDC. Now, guys, have you looked at the volume of Tether? Out of this world. So, guys, make sure you're focused on that. It's going to let us know where the market is going to head. Just like I stated, this month is the most important month because it's going to tell us where we're going to be headed. And then, of course, we have the Fed facilities, the final ones that's going to be closing March 31st. Make sure we keep an eye on Yellen to see what decision that she makes on down the road. And we have CME on the 26th, guys, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, guys, we have Ethereum also hit its all-time high. Remember, we had Grayscale manipulate. Now we have CME in the game. And guys, remember, they cash out. Now, they can move these contracts going forward, but we're definitely going to sit back and watch. Like I stated, we're definitely going to make a big move up or a big move down. Is one of the directions. And what's going to tell us? The actual indicators. That's right. Now we have RAI, another stable coin, guys, a fork of Maker, but it's not pegged to the US dollar. It's on the Ethereum blockchain. So, guys, make sure you keep an eye on that. Now we have Binance brief pause to Ethereum withdrawals out of nowhere. And guys, like I stated, with these exchanges is plenty of manipulation. Remember, the Cryptoteacher advised you of that. Now we have the European investments app Free Trade and Plum are ready to get into crypto. And guys, why do all these platforms and PayPal and Visa and MasterCard want to get into crypto? Do they even care about crypto? No, they don't. They know there's fees to be made. We get feed to death. It's the same system, guys. If we were doing peer-to-peer how Bitcoin was really set up to be, we wouldn't be paying all these fees. But it's still, the middleman is getting in between. The third party is in between to get your feed to death. That's all exchanges are, banks, guys. This system has not changed. It's just being tokenized and put on blockchain. That's it. Now, we also have Canada CI financial files for a Bitcoin ETF with Galaxy as a sub-advisor. And again, guys, you're looking at fees. These trusts, these ETFs, guys, they get management fees. I think this one here is 1%. But all these Bitcoin trusts, they automatically are getting paid to form these. So again, guys, at the end of the day, these big corporations get paid regardless of what way the market goes. They don't care. They don't care the volatility. Look at all the products that they've built around Bitcoin. And we're talking about hundreds and hundreds of millions of dollars that are being made that we will never see. We have these big banks, JP Morgan, BlackRock, Goldman Sachs, all of them stated that Bitcoin is a fraud. Warren Buffett coming out saying it's rat poison. But the fact is, behind the scenes, they were investing, making money. They don't care what the price is. They're going to run it up, sell high, let it drop down, buy low, and keep doing it again. That's what they've done with the stock market. Pumps and dumps, pumps and dumps. And sometimes they'll wait 2 years, sometimes they'll wait 7. But the fact is, guys, we've seen it too many times in the stock market. I outlined that in my book. The same thing is going to be with cryptos. They ran cryptos up in 1 month, as far as just taking Bitcoin for an example, $20,000 in 1 month. So we know what? They're going to run it down. We had JP Morgan speak about Tether. And guys, we know the Tether lawsuit is going on. I think they had to submit papers by February 15th. But guys, make sure you are keeping an eye on Tether, because something is definitely going to happen big when it comes to Tether, because we know USDC is the main focus. We know Goldman Sachs, Circle, all that's behind it. And they already stated that USDC is going to be that global stablecoin. We know something big is going to happen with Tether. But Tether is pumping like 70% of the market, guys. So that is big. We just got to keep our fingers crossed and that we know the direction is going. Of course, I'm going to definitely keep my eye on it. But guys, that's all I have for you. Don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, don't forget the book links and crypto links are in the description. Don't forget about the stock channel, Cryptoteacher stock channel. You have your Cobalt, your chip stocks, your game, and your banking. While everybody's sitting at home, get their home stocks, the C word, the biotech stocks. And while everybody's at home getting free money or waiting on that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day.